I've not been active on this channel for some time now, and the truth is that my channel got hacked. I needed to keep you guys updated, so I decided to make this video. I'm going to keep it very short and straight to the point, I promise. So make sure you stay right till the end. Late last month, that's 23rd November, I suspected my account was hacked, but I doubted it because I didn't see any actions on the channel that seemed it was hacked. But I was wrong. The following day, that was 23rd November, I checked up on this channel again and realized there have been 5 consecutive videos on the channel that I had no idea about. On the same day, I realized the hacker was still processing 2 additional videos. I was totally confused about the whole action. Like I was watching a movie. It was difficult for me to comprehend how the hacker got into my account despite 2-step verification and other securities are placed on the account. I quickly decided to change my password, but unfortunately my videos were taken down from YouTube because the videos uploaded by the hacker violated YouTube's terms and policy. I was so upset and stressed out. I nearly cried because I worked so hard night and day to get this channel to this height. So I can't afford to just lose it. I began texting people that I knew, I treated, and did a whole lot of stuff for help. Luckily enough, YouTube support came to my aid, and today I'm glad to say I have gotten back my account and my channel as well. Thank you all for your support, and I promise I'm going to work so hard to bring the dream of this channel into reality. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's free, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Peace out.